fluids in your vehicle, which is the lifeblood
The lifeblood.
of your vehicle.
That's right. That's a nice way to put it, man.
Nice way to put it. Today we're going to start with the engine oil, which engine oil, Jerry, is not like it was per se 30 years ago where there were, you know, 3 or 4 different viscosities. Now we work on hundreds of makes and models. It seems like everyone has a different engine, different oil viscosity, you know, whether it's fully synthetic, semi-synthetic, or just regular old conventional oil. It seems like everyone's different. You know, the capacity's different on all of them. Well, Jerry, today there's so many different engines, you know, so many weights. You know, if you don't get the right oil viscosity, then you could have oil consumption problems, engine rattle. You know, you could cause a lot of problems internally in the engine if you don't have the right oil. There we go. That's done. That starts up front with our salespeople through our point of sale system. Each person is trained to look up the correct oil viscosity and the proper amount of oil to put in each vehicle. That goes on our work order before it even comes to the back.
If you're ever in a position to need to add oil to your own vehicle, you can usually find what type of oil you need right here on the oil cap on top of your motor.
Most vehicles have an oil dipstick. Some don't. Most of them do. So if you're under your hood and you ever have to add oil, you know, add the amount you think needs to be put in there, pull your dipstick. There are marks on the dipstick that tells you where your oil capacity, your oil level needs to be, you know. But if you don't feel comfortable doing that, please call or come see us and we'll take care of you here at one of our 4 locations.
Come see us, Athens.
Thank you.